Welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best solar panels for Blink cameras, carefully selected to meet different needs. Whether you want waterproof durability, long cables, or built-in batteries for continuous power, this lineup has something for everyone. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. EverExceed Solar Panel for Blink Outdoor 4. Power your Blink Outdoor 4 camera with the EverExceed Solar Panel, a 4W charger designed for reliable outdoor use. Featuring a 13.12-foot outdoor power cable, it offers flexible placement options to capture maximum sunlight. The adjustable mount ensures you can angle the panel perfectly, while IP65 waterproof protection keeps it safe in rain or harsh weather. Compact yet powerful, this panel eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, keeping your camera running continuously. Ideal for homeowners who want hassle-free security, it blends durability with convenience. Whether you're monitoring your yard, driveway, or entryway, the EverExceed solar panel ensures your Blink camera stays charged and ready. It's a smart solution for those seeking dependable power without interruptions. Number 2. Wahoo Solar Panel Charging Mount. Enjoy year-round power with the Wahoo Solar Panel Charging Mount, compatible with Blink Outdoor 4, XT3, XT2, and XT cameras. Built with IP67 weatherproof protection, it withstands rain, dust, and extreme conditions. The internal 3,300 mAh battery ensures continuous operation for up to 365 days, even during cloudy periods. Its upgraded adjustable angle mount allows you to position the panel for maximum sunlight exposure. Easy to install, this panel reduces the need for manual recharging, making it perfect for busy households. Whether you're securing your backyard or monitoring outdoor spaces, the Wahoo Solar Panel delivers reliable energy and peace of mind. Combining durability, efficiency, and smart design, it's a trusted companion for Blink users who demand uninterrupted performance. Number 3. EverExceed Solar Panel for Blink Outdoor 3, 2-pack. Double your coverage with the EverExceed Solar Panel 2-pack, designed for Blink Outdoor 3, XT, and XT2 cameras. Each 4W panel comes with a 13.12-foot charge cable, giving you flexibility in placement. The adjustable mount lets you optimize sunlight exposure, while IP65 waterproof protection ensures durability in all weather conditions. Perfect for larger properties, this set keeps multiple cameras powered without the hassle of battery swaps. Easy to install and built for efficiency, these panels provide continuous energy so your cameras stay active day and night. Whether you're monitoring entrances, gardens, or driveways, the EverExceed 2-pack offers dependable performance. It's a practical solution for homeowners who want reliable, eco-friendly power across multiple security points. Number 4. YC-Techcam Solar Panel for Blink Outdoor 3, 2-pack. Keep your Blink Outdoor 3 cameras charged with the YC-Techcam Solar Panel 2-pack, a 4W solution built for convenience. Each panel includes a micro USB port, rubber plug, and a 13.12-foot cable for easy installation. With IP65 waterproof protection, these panels are designed to withstand rain and dust, ensuring long-term durability. The dual-pack setup is ideal for powering multiple cameras around your property, reducing the need for manual battery changes. Compact yet efficient, they provide consistent energy to keep your cameras running smoothly. Whether you're securing entryways or monitoring outdoor areas, the YC-Techcam solar panels deliver reliable performance. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to maintain continuous surveillance without interruptions. Number 5. Solar Panel for Blink Outdoor 4. Stay powered with the solar panel for Blink Outdoor 4, a 4W charging board designed for seamless compatibility. Equipped with a 10-foot outdoor power cord, it offers flexible placement to capture optimal sunlight. The adjustable angle mount ensures maximum efficiency, while IP65 waterproof protection keeps it safe in harsh weather. Compact and easy to install, this panel eliminates the hassle of frequent battery replacements, keeping your Blink camera active around the clock. Perfect for homeowners who value convenience and reliability, it provides continuous energy for uninterrupted security. Whether you're monitoring driveways, gardens, or entry points, this solar panel ensures your Blink Outdoor 4 stays charged and ready. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.